go. We started out with four of the top monster truck supercars in the world, and we are now down to the fastest two. It is time to meet your contenders for our championship race. First, to my left and to your right on the opposite side. This man hails like Kansas. He has traveled all over the world trying the monster trucks. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Darren Diaz in Nitro Max. And in the opposite lane, this man right here is a former freestyle world champion and one of the best racers in monster trucks. Please welcome Jimmy Creed and Barrier. This is your monster truck championship race. Are you ready?
Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, your winner of the championship race is Jimmy Creed and Patty Hunter. Jimmy Creed and Patty Hunter, congratulations. Hey man, you're on race up full seat there.
Oh, you know what? I didn't come here to win trophies.
Say that. Too close, too close. All right, let's try that one more time. Go ahead.
I didn't come here to win trophies. We're just going to go put a good show on for these fans. I think we're going to rearrange the track a little bit so we can catch some big air right down here through the middle. And for freestyle, I know that's everybody's favorite. I know that's what they're waiting for. You know, we're having to slow down a little bit, make a turn, and you know, I think people want to see some air, and we're ready to give it to them.
Well, fans, we're ready to